aquí disfrutando la buena vida en Riverside. Les quiero presentar a mi amiga Evie.
Hello. Hi, hola.
Sí, aquí está preparando la comida.
Un poquinho
¿Y qué estás haciendo?
Ravioli.
Raviolini.
Mua.
Ciao, viva l'amore.
Y estamos bêbados.
Ciao amore, ¿qué tal? Good morning. Mira.
Bambina linda.
Mira.
Where are you? I miss you. You had to come. You had to be here. Although,
She's gonna make you work.
Yes.
No,
Poor Bambino.
don't come. She makes me
I'm
work.
so sorry. I'm so sorry. He's working like there's no tomorrow.
Look the difference, mi amor.
Look.
We paint before it used to be like yellow
Yeah.
for the smoke. The people live here, they smoke a lot. Mm?
And now look, it's all white.
Beautiful.
It's getting, like show the kitchen.
Sí,
The
look.
kitchen is
Sí,
ready.
look
The
how
kitchen
beautiful.
is ready.
Bueno, amore, have a good day.
Ma, we miss you. Next time you have to come. No work.
No work.
No work for
No.
you. Only Bambino.
Ciao, mi amore.
Que linda.
Felicidades.
Mwah. Oh my God, Bambino, it looks amazing.
Aquí está Javier.
Hi, Javier. Gracias, Javier.
Poco
Look
a
at
poco.
this. Que diferença, Bambino.
Okay. Wow. Muy bien. Aquí está Javier también. Muy bien, Javier.